Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. My adorable new t-shirt makes me so stinking happy. Look how cute it is. I love giraffes. It's one of my favorite animals. And so I love that I can have it on this wonderful t-shirt. Let me tell you all of the things that I love about it. First of all and foremost, I love the graphics. Look at their faces. Oh, it's so cute, but it's not itchy. It doesn't poke me in any way. The graphic is very soft and smooth. I love the cuffed sleeves. That just gives it a little extra flair. I love that the stitching is very nice. I've worn it, I've washed it, and it doesn't show any signs of wear. That makes me know that it's well made and it's going to last me a long time, which I love because I never want to lose this t-shirt. I also love that I can pair it with so many different outfits. I could wear it with a skirt, jeans, or my favorite, which is leggings, and it's going to look cute with all three of them. I also love that it's long enough that it fits over my bottom half, which is something I don't want to show off. So if you are in the market for a versatile and adorable new t-shirt, you've found it. And that's my point of view.